guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for subscribing. For those who have subscribed and the new members, please subscribe if you really like my video and leave me a comment down below. I'll be really happy to hear from you. So today I decided to go out of the city. I stay in Ho Chi Minh, and I was still in Ho Chi Minh but out of the city, which was really amazing. It was a great ride. So I'm a back seat rider. I don't really ride, but I enjoy sitting at the back and just enjoying, the ride and all that. So I thought, why not bring you guys to join me, and I hope you're gonna love this video. And if you do, please like and subscribe. See you in my next one, and stay safe. Ciao. So here we had already started our journey. We were almost at the ferry because we had to cross the water, and we used the ferry to get to the other side. So here we're waiting in the line because we had to pay 4,000 VND, which is less than $50. So it's really good. So you just pay that, and then they'll give you a receipt, then you go through. We are on the ferry. There were lots of other bikes that got on, and cars and people. So it's everyone that gets on to cross the water. Here I'm checking to see if my camera is still recording, just making sure. And I'm like, I have to record everything. So here we had started moving, and we were just watching the crane take off the containers off and on. So it was really lovely and beautiful. It's just 5 to 10 minutes to the other side, so it doesn't take that long, and you're on the other side. So here we had got to the other side, and we were just waiting for the bikes and cars that were getting on to cross over to go to where we were coming from. So we had to wait for a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2, and then we were off to go. Guys, this was an accident which happens almost every single day in Vietnam. Please try and keep safe while riding bikes anywhere in the world. Once upon a time in Vietnam, here in my Good Morning Vietnam t-shirt. So we had stopped to take a rest and drink something because we were thirsty and it was a bit hot. So on our way when we were going, we found this new city that they were constructing, new apartments, new everything, shops that were all new. So it's a new city, it's called Dong Saigon New City. So ended up having another stop and we met these lovely people. So I was just taking a rest there as they were saying hello to me and taking pictures. At a point he wanted to take a picture with me, so I was getting up and I ended up leaving my butt behind. Look at this cutie, he was so amazing, just the smile and all that. So we ended up staying there for a couple of hours, and then by the time we were done with these cuties, it was getting dark. We couldn't continue with our journey, so we just turned back home.